Hello everybody, I am Vinod Tilokani. Now this is a continuation of my first video on problem solving process. Last video we have completed two stages or two steps. That is, first clarify the problem, second is break down the problem and prioritize the problem. Guys, please remember that this particular problem solving process is not applicable for automobile sales, service, but also it is applicable for all businesses as well as production. And it is based on PDCA. What PDCA? Plan, do, check, action. I will explain you at the end that what points comes under P, D, C and A. Right? Because this is basically based on PDCA. Right, guys? Now we will see for the third step of problem solving process. What is that? Actually, I would say that second and third, both steps are linked. Right? Third step is point of occurrence, where this problem is exactly occurring. So we should confirm that in various steps of process, at which stage or which step this problem occurs. And we have to prioritize the problem at point of occurrence. Also, we have to specify the point of cause by checking the process physically or personally. Very important. As I said, this is applicable to all businesses. You know that there are different processes for different businesses, right? In sales as well as service, and in production, process will be different. There will be various stages or steps in process. Now we have selected an example of after sales area. So in service, automobile service, there are 10 steps. Somewhere it will be 12, somewhere it will be 6. So I am considering 4 steps for easy understanding. Right, guys? So first step is appointment. You know that service team is giving appointment to customer for service, or calling customer for service and giving appointments, or customer is calling service to get the appointment for service or repairs. Now there are facility of online service booking also, right? This is a first step. I will consider only 4 steps for easy understanding, for better understanding. Then second step is reception or receiving and greeting customers, right? Reception or receiving and greeting customers. Now third step is production or performing service work, right? Production or performing service work. Fourth step is vehicle delivery. Right, guys? I am considering only 4 steps for better understanding. Now, this particular, what example I have given you, what we have discussed, this is related with delivery stage, that is vehicle delivery, right? But for this you have to physical check all the steps where problem is occurring. I will give you an example of this also. Now, in our case, everything is intact, everything is correct, only delivery is not happening because of less number of service advisors who are not able to deliver the vehicle in the late evening, and less number of drivers, because of which we are not able to drop the vehicle at customer place at late evening. Right? Now, see, it is very good to understand why it is important, why I am saying it is important. So, I would say now less number of job controllers, right? Final inspectors or technicians, right? I would say unskilled manpower is there. Certification rate is low, right? Job card allotment from job controller to technician is delayed. Whatever may be the reason, when you will check process physically, you will understand this. Right? Or there is a delay in diagnosis. What are the problems are there? Technicians are taking more time to diagnose the problem. Or there is a delay in final inspection. Right? Or low productivity of technicians. Right? Insufficient tools and equipments as well as special tools. Means in workshop there are no sufficient tools, right? As well as less special tools. Or delay in issuing parts to technician, right? Means they are standing at parts department or parts counter, but they are not getting the parts faster or early, so they are wasting their productive time over there, right? So carry forward vehicles are more. So if vehicles or jobs are not completed, carry forward vehicles will be more. What will be the reason? We will not be able to deliver the vehicles, right? So, job card allotment is not also as per the skill matrix. Means the person who can do that particular job, it is not allotted to that person, it is allotted to somebody else who is going to take more time. Right? So, also I would say the lightning system is not proper in the workshop. or at workplace. I would say that there is a requirement of 350 to 400 lux in engine compartment when technician park the vehicle in a bay for doing the job or doing the service. It can happen. I have put lot of lights, but position and location is not proper. When technician is opening hood or bonnet to carry out the job or repairs, light is falling on hood or bonnet, not in engine compartment. So visibility will not be there. As visibility will not be there, there will be delay in work or repair. So guys, this is just an example. Problem is same, right? Problem is same, that I am not able to deliver the ideal number of vehicles, which is 90%. My same day delivery rate is not 90%. Now, you can see if I check this process all step physically. Now this will shift, means point of occurrence will shift to production or performing service work. So guys, we should be very careful and physically, personally check all steps of process, and these steps will be different for different businesses as well as productions or different productions, right? So it is very important step. So guys, I hope now it is clear to you what is the importance, because both these steps are linked together. And if I will not be able to prioritize the problem at point of occurrence, my full process will get changed. If I am considering this production or performing service work, my second step will also get changed, right? Now we are considering that everything is intact. Whatever I said, that is perfect. Only the number of service advisors as well as drivers are less. So guys, it is very important step. Please follow this step carefully and sincerely. Now, the fourth step. What is fourth step? Fourth step is target setting, right? For target setting, we have to ask three questions. What, how much, by when, right? So, what is my problem? That my same day delivery rate is below 90%. So, I have to set the target to 90%, right? So, next question is how much? That is, I need 10% growth in my current same day delivery rate, which is 80% instead of 90%, which is an ideal condition that we have seen in first stage when we clarify the problem. Now, when we are setting the target, we should not keep it open-ended. We have to fix some target line for this, no? Otherwise, you will carry on for 5 years. By that time, everything will be closed. So, by when? This is nothing but you have to set the target line, timeline for this. So, I would say that by 31st of March 2024, right? Guys, I have set target line for my activity also. Whenever we are setting the target, make the commitment. Set measurable, concrete and challenging targets. Right? So set challenging targets. Now, fifth step of this is root cause analysis. All steps are, guys, very important. We have to follow all steps to resolve our problem. So root cause analysis. How we have to do this root cause analysis? Keep asking why to all your answers, or till there is a no cause. You have to ask why to all your answer, or till there is no cause. You don't find any cause for that. Now in this, we have to do why analysis with 4M method. Right? To understand the fact with respect to possible causes. And we have to specify the root cause. Right? Now I said 4M. What is this? This is nothing but man, machine, method and material. What is man? It is related with manpower. Right? What is machine? Machine is nothing but plant or tools, equipment, facility at workplace. Right? Now, third is method. Method is nothing but process. Right? Method is nothing but process. And fourth one is material. Right? So material is nothing but the product. Right? So guys, these are 4M. Now we have to do the root cause analysis with 4M method. Now I will explain it. Now regarding manpower, in our case, right, what we were discussing, in our case, regarding man, that is I said manpower. So root cause is shortage of service advisors as well as drivers. Right? Yes. This is a root cause, what we understood as what example I have given to you. Next, machine. You know that nowadays all service advisors are using tabs to open repair order where all your concerns are registered, right? So whether the sufficient, first point is whether the sufficient tabs are available or whether tabs are with all service advisors. Next point is there whether connectivity is there, network is there, means whether it is functioning properly, these tabs are functioning properly. It should not get affected because of improper connectivity or network is not strong. So, this is second point. And whether there is a sufficient number of printers also when they are opening arrows or registering your concerns or complaints, they have to take the print of that and they take your customer signature on that, right? So whether it is available, sufficient printers are available, yes. Now in terms of machine or in case of machine, tabs are with all service advisor, proper network is there, connectivity is there, and sufficient printers are available. So there is no problem, right? Now there is a method. Third M is method. Whether everybody is following standard operating procedures or not. Yes, everybody is following standard operating procedures. Right? Now fourth M, that is material, which is nothing but the product. So whether product is of good quality, right, and it is getting ready on time, yes, it is getting ready on time. So there is no problem. So from 4M method, we found the problem at manpower. And what is the problem? That is less number of service advisors as well as drivers. So guys, with other 3M, as far as our example is concerned, there is no issue. So guys, we have to specify the root cause, and we specified root cause. There is a shortage or there is a less number of service advisors as well as drivers available in the system as per the load. Right guys, again guys, due to length of this video, again I am stopping this second video over here. Please Google and check my Vinod Tilokani YouTube channel. As I said, you can subscribe also to get notification for my future videos. And please pass on or please share with your relatives, friends, colleagues, family members, etc. So thank you very much guys. Again, we will meet soon in next video for discussing the further steps of problem solving method. Thank you very much guys. Thank you. Take care.